friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 12 of my November Tag-A-Day series. Let's see what I use today. I used this Snuggle Weather stamp set from Not Too Shabby. These critters just crack me up and are oh so cute with their sweaters on. I used some baker's twine. I used the Sunny Studio Mini Mat and tag number 1. Yesterday I used this one. Today I used this one. And then I used some of the Not Too Shabby Plaids for Christmas paper. Everything that I can find that's still available will be linked in the description box below. And then here is my cute tag for today. Doesn't he just look all snuggly? I just want to go up and give him a great big bear hug. He's oh so cute. Just so adorable. Cardstock on the back. I remembered my stamp today. And of course those dies, that paper. And I think it turned out so super cute. It could be winter. You could add a little something like on the back for a holiday tag as well. Kind of multi-purpose there. And so that is my tag for day 12. We're just moving right along through the month of November. I will be back tomorrow for day 13. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.